Hello, this is Azalea with Izzy's by Azalea. In today's video, we will be working on a triple crochet. To help us do this, the yarn we will be using is the Loops and Threads by Michaels and the color Sage. Here we'll be working on a triple crochet. To complete this stitch, you will have a loop on your hook. You will then take your working yarn and wrap it around your hook 2 times. So that's 1, and then 1 more time. That's 2 times. So you'll have 1, 2, 3 loops on your hook. You will then insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You will then have 4 loops on your hook. You will yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You will then have 3 loops. You will yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, leaving you 2 loops on the hook. Then you will yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. So there you have it, a triple crochet. And it kind of makes sense because you're yarning over and pulling through those loops 3 times. So again, you have your loop on the hook, your working yarn here. You will wrap around the hook 2 times. 1, 2. So we're starting with 3 loops on the hook. We're inserting into the next stitch, and here we will yarn over and pull through 3 times. So yarn over, pull through. So now here comes the 3 times. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I guess it's yarning over and pulling through 4 times, but only 3 times when you're working with the stitch itself. So you have your 1 loop on the hook, yarning over 2 times, starting off with the 3 loops on your hook, insert it into the stitch. This will be the first time you'll yarn over and pull through. So that'll leave 4 loops on your hook. And now here's the 3 times. You'll yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 1. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's the 3rd time. So there you have a triple crochet.